Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Bismayas and I am from Department of Biotechnology. My subject is Principle of Chemistry 1 and the topic I'm going to present to you all is how to make a normal solution of acetic acid. So let's have a look on the contents. Uh, so the contents include statement about what to be prepared and the material required to prepare it and the calculations and then the procedure which includes steps to do in the lab and then the conclusion. So what's a statement? Statement is how to prepare 500 milliliter of 0.75 normal solution of an acetic acid. Formula is CH3COOH by using density method, and the purity given to us is 96% while the density is 1.06 kilogram per liter. So material required are distilled water, pipette, 500 milliliter flask, a beaker, a stirrer, and a funnel. So let's start the calculations. First, we need to know about the molar mass of the acetate. That is 12 for carbon, 1 for hydrogen, and 16 for oxygen. Then 12 plus 3 into 1. It is due to we have 3 molecules of hydrogen, and then 12 again for carbon, and 16 plus 16 for 2 oxygen atoms, and then again 1 for hydrogen, which will conclude to 60 gram per mole, and the molecular weight that is expressed in atomic mass unit, that is 60 AMU, and the density of acetate is 1.06 kilogram per liter, and the purity given as mentioned above is 96%. To find the volume equivalent, we need to have the formula of density, which is density is equals to mass per volume, which will help us to conclude the volume of the acetate we need to prepare the solution. So the density D is equals to M over V, which is given to us 1.06 is equals to 60 divided by V. Let's interchange the places of density and volume. Then we'll get 60 divided by 1.06, which will conclude to 56.6 ml. This is the molar volume of 96% of acetate, which is basically equal to 56.6 milliliter. And to find the molar volume of 100% purity of acetate, which will give us through the formula of 56 divided by 96, which is the purity given to us, multiply by 100%, that is the purity we need, and it will give us the molar volume 58.9 milliliter. So for 1 molar solution of acetate, 1000 ml of solution is equals to 58.9 milliliter of CH3COOH acetic acid. Relation between molarity and normality for CH3COOH, basically acetate. Then it is 1 normal is equals to 1 molar. To achieve 0.75 normal solution, which we need, we will multiply both sides by 0.75. Then it will be 0.75 normal is equals to 0.75 molar. Then put the value of the molar volume that we concluded above, that is 58.9, and multiply by 0.75, which will give us 0.75 normal solution, that is 44.2 milliliter. Now 0.75 normal solution is in 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter is equals to 44.2 milliliter, and then 1 milliliter is equals to 44.2 divided by 1000. For 500 milliliter, which we basically need to prepare the solution in volumetric flask, 1 milliliter is equals to 44.2 divided by 1000 and multiplied by 500. That will give us the final value of our molar volume that we need. It is 22.12 milliliter, which is in 100% molarity, which is in 100% purity of CH3COOH in the given purity 96%. So what will be the procedure? The procedure will be, we will take 200 milliliter of distilled water in a beaker, and we will take 22.12 milliliter of 96% of CH3COOH, which will have concluded above in a pipette, and then we'll mix it well with the help of a stirrer, and then we'll add the solution into 500 milliliter volumetric flask with the help of a funnel. up to the mark given on the flask. Conclusion: what we need 22.12 milliliter of 96% acetate is dissolved in 500 milliliter of water to obtain 0.75 normal solution of acetic acid. Thank you so much for your attention.